The Mad Smart Classic Large Silverware Tray in Premium White from the Classic Collection is a well-designed organizational solution for your kitchen drawers. This 6-compartment utensil tray is crafted from durable plastic, making it both sturdy and easy to clean. The non-slip feature ensures that your silverware stays in place and prevents unnecessary clattering. Designed by the trusted brand MadeSmart, this silverware tray boasts a stylish brushed finish that adds a touch of sophistication to your kitchen space. Its rectangular shape fits perfectly in most standard kitchen drawers, providing ample space to organize your utensils efficiently. Measuring at 1.8 inches in depth, 12.75 inches in width, and 15.8 inches in height, this tray offers a generous capacity of 16 liters, allowing you to store a variety of utensils without any hassle. The standard packaging ensures that your product arrives safely and ready to use. Overall, the MadeSmart Classic Large Silverware Tray is a practical.
The MadeSmart Classic Large Silverware Tray in Granite from the Classic Collection offers an ideal solution for organizing your kitchen drawers. Crafted from durable plastic, this tray features a non-slip surface to keep your silverware securely in place. With 6 compartments, it provides ample space for neatly arranging your cutlery and utensils. The polished finish adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen decor. This silverware tray measures 1.8 inches in depth, 12.9 inches in width, and 16 inches in height, making it suitable for standard kitchen drawers. Its rectangular shape maximizes storage efficiency, allowing you to make the most of the available space. The MadeSmart brand ensures quality and reliability, making this tray a long-lasting organizational solution for your kitchen. Whether you're looking to declutter your kitchen or enhance the functionality of your drawers, the MadeSmart Classic Large Silverware Tray is a practical choice that combines style with functionality.
The Rubbermaid No-Slip Interlocking Drawer Organizer is a practical and functional solution for keeping your kitchen drawers organized efficiently. With product dimensions of 15.25 into 2.33 into 6.25 inches and an item weight of 7.8 ounces, this drawer organizer provides ample space for storing flatware, utensils, and other kitchen essentials. Manufactured by Rubbermaid, a trusted brand known for its high-quality products, this drawer organizer is designed to help you maximize space and keep items securely in place. The fact that it is made in Malaysia ensures a level of quality and reliability that you can trust. The Rubbermaid No-Slip Interlocking Drawer Organizer has received positive feedback from customers, with a rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars based on 1,657 ratings. This high rating is a testament to the product's durability, functionality, and overall customer satisfaction. In terms of product features, this organizer is easy to use and requires no assembly.
The MadeSmart Classic Mini Silverware Tray is a must-have kitchen organizer for efficiently storing your utensils. Crafted from durable plastic and rubber materials, this drawer organizer is designed to withstand daily use. The soft grip and non-slip features ensure your silverware stays securely in place. Measuring at 9 inches in depth, 12.75 inches in width, and 1.88 inches in height, this rectangular tray offers a capacity of 12.75 liters, providing ample space for your utensils. The sleek granite color adds a touch of sophistication to your kitchen decor. MadeSmart, a trusted brand known for quality home organization products, delivers a reliable solution for keeping your kitchen drawers neat and tidy. The standard packaging includes one silverware tray, making it convenient to set up in your drawers. Whether you're looking to streamline your kitchen storage or enhance organization, the MadeSmart Classic Mini Silverware Tray is a practical and stylish choice for everyone seeking.
Crafted with quality bamboo wood, the Pura Wood Large Premium Bamboo Silverware Organizer offers a functional and elegant solution for organizing your utensils. The natural bamboo material not only adds a touch of sophistication to your kitchen, but also ensures durability for long-lasting use. This silverware organizer stands out with its expandable design, allowing you to adjust its size to fit your specific needs. The unfinished finish gives it a sleek and classic look that complements any kitchen decor seamlessly. Measuring 18 inches in depth, 14 inches in width, and 2 inches in height, This rectangular-shaped organizer provides ample space to neatly store your silverware collection. Whether you have a small or large utensil set, this organizer can accommodate it all with ease. Overall, the Pura Wood Large Premium Bamboo Silverware Organizer is a must-have addition to any kitchen. Its sturdy construction, expandable feature, and timeless design make it a perfect choice for keeping.